Now, when you hear some big batty boy run off them mouth, some big suck pussy batty boy we girl mad. Some batty boy we girl mad, make batty boy a talk about them as a heel and a Martian. Go lick out your mother, whether you're the yard or abroad. Big batty boy, some of uno and who did one will live a prison and dead a prison. Go suck on no mother, all of uno we a chat to no, yo, me say go suck on no mother batty boy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we will revisit what Sean Storm had to say regarding Foota Hype's disrespect, saying that Kartel should have buy him a new car. Also, Vybz Kartel responded, and even Mr. Vegas had his 2 cents. So before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and share. Check this out. Now, the other day, it is alleged that Vybz Kartel bought Sean Storm a car, and Foota Hype wasn't pleased, and he came out and, you know, basically I say Kartel no real Sean Storm and a star and he deserve a better car. So Sean Storm responded to that, and he did Foota Hype wicked. Foota even come back a Kartel answer, but make sure you like up the video, guys. Please, may I try to get to 1,000 likes to push out the content, so just leave a like on the video. But check this out.
Dog, hear me I say, brother. Top of the morning to all the people, them, all of the real people them out there, where have real people running the top of the morning, you see? So I see up a while ago and I see a couple message well people text me. I say, Siva, no pay nobody no mind. Listen to nobody I say. Them grudge and Kartel. People, let me telling you something. You see the brother thing where you say I'm going with me and Kartel. Don't be fooling them. And no music, you know. And long before music in a party. I'm tired of telling you them something here, you know, bro. The things them want to see Kartel do for me, enough for surprise, you know, bridging. Because long before music, me and Kartel have a overs, brother. You see, I'm telling you this already. The man used to go primary school. My mother used to sell a primary gate. The man used to buy things from my mother. My mother know the man. My mother know fee mother. My father know fee father. It a forward from far. You see it? Now, when you hear some big batty boy run off them mouth, some big suck pussy batty boy we girl mad. Some batty boy we girl mad, make batty boy talk about them as a heel and a Martian. Go lick out your mother, whether you're the yard or abroad. Big batty boy, some of uno and who did one will live a prison and dead a prison. Go suck on no mother. All of uno we a chat to no. Yo, me say go suck on no mother batty boy. Batty boy and batty girl. Uno feel glad. Uno feel glad batty boy and batty girl say we there road and stop bad mind we. Stop bad mind. Yo, me say every talk uno talk pussy Kartel like a shame, you know. As you know, open the mouth, the man like a shame, you know. Batty boy, I'm not see nothing yet. Uno chat about my van and me want that van the pussy. Suck out to no mother. All I know where I chat about my van and I chat about Kartel. Batty boy and batty girl. Uno go see another van next year. Pussy. And then uno go see another blood clot car again before the year done. Batty boy and batty girl. And uno we a chat off from the mouth. Uno never buy on a friend a bicycle yet. People on a car friends, some on a batty boy and batty girl where they are foreign for years. You never seen a barrel come back a yard yet, come get the killer them on the ends. Pussy if you no come here, the dog them want bite off on the head and spit it out and a batty boy and big batty girl and crosses. You no stop watch we. 13 years with their prison. 13 years with their prison. And we never see no batty boy, we never see no batty girl. We wait and we pray to God and God give we back the road. And God a bless you all angles. Stop watching and go suck your mother youth. Go suck your mother girl. All who a chat, go suck on no mother and love we make we live. Suck on no mother. Love we make we live and go suck out to no mother. Batty boy and batty girl. Don't bring me back down the dark road that we know for. I'm blood clot out.
After that, Foota Hype went live, addressed Sean Storm. He even, I say, oh, Kartel have him as so say no boy, and I say, remember say Kartel taking girl, cause you know, Sean Storm mentioned about Aishana, but you guys check this out and tell me what you think.
Sean, you say my woman, which everybody know Aishana and attack. Yeah, scatter eat it when she gone. You know, see me love her make she do her thing. Me not quarrel, you know. Me left her make she go on. Big up Aishana. She live her life and me I live my life. Zine? It's a hot baby mother me have with the whole of one that want fuck. So me do great things in a girl world. You, Sean, you never tell the people them yet. Say the girl where you love the most. You carry on Kartel and Kartel take her away. I don't even want to call the girl name and mix her up. The biggest female artist in a Gaza. No, was your girl? How did Vybz Kartel know her? You did tell anybody that? Sean, don't play with me now. Do not ramp with me. I have all information. I don't think me know all of it. Do not play with me. All of it. Do not get too bright, Sean. We are not warring, but I am telling you, do not play. I am not scared of anybody in Gaza, not even 1 ounce. Only know my style. But we not do no physical thing. We not do no physical thing. It's not physical. But if you don't want to war up on a social media something, I will beat you and the world boss like slave. Don't play with me. Do not do it. I will crush you now. Careful when you turn on the phone there and talk here. I hope look at idea watch, I hope young vibes I watch and rate it. I will talk something about when a father, when you don't have no idea, don't play with me. Tell the people them, Sean, don't talk to me about girl. You cannot walk in my shoes. You don't even come like, you know they know when near my shoes bottom when it come to girl. Don't talk about girl thing to me, Sean. I'll embarrass you. Remember the girl where you really love, you know. Kartel take her from you, and you have to sit down and live with it and par with them and act like you're cool with it. I know Kartel don't like you, and I know you don't like Vybz Kartel. When them send you to style me, don't do it. Okay? So don't bring a girl argument and do not call me a batty man. You don't have the right to do them something. You don't have it. Because remember, I'll know me not this Sean, I'll know me not this teacher. So we wanna make it be a disrespectful thing. I am saying what is already in the public space. I wanna put up video with the car, and the car don't look good for Sean. Some people are about anything you take if you get. No. Sean deserves a better car. Kartel put up the new video now if you say my style me. And a me a style. When you buy a data car, you're supposed to buy a data car. But a Sean a style. Cause you sure Sean said, me can get up and go buy my data a brand new car. And your data know to hear. We're getting it straight from the dealership. Sean wanna never straight from the dealership. And another 2025.
After that, Vybz Kartel made a post on his Instagram page and he answered Foota Hype. You know, and basically I say, you know, make no man dry out because you see things that we Foota Hype did not talk. We couldn't catch all that live because it was a lengthy one, a whole hour. But some of the things that Foota Hype was saying was, you know, other things about Kartel where regular people don't know. And remember say Sean Storm, Wallet, and suppose Sean Storm did fi whistle like a bird. So in my eyes, I try to set up the man them no fee. Rat pan themselves, 1. 2, yeah, set him up with dry him out so Kartel can really show you in true colors and send him back to jail because you know say he don't want to go back there so he might enjoy freedom. But me glad say Kartel never responding and no way with no badness. Instead, he chose to say this. Check this out.
Top of the afternoon, Gaza Nation. Big up all ghetto youth. Remember the goal is to love God and get rich. Yeah. And you can't draw away out, man. When I'm a beg for attention when I see them. I'm in my own world. With God, my family, my music, and my money. I'm out.
So Mr. Vegas, after, you know, watching the back and forth between Vybz Kartel, Sean Storm, and Foota Hype, he decided to insert himself into this beef. So he came out, he made some valid points. He said that Foota Hype is trying to draw a wedge between Vybz Kartel and Sean, and we don't know what the conversation was. Mr. Vega say, what if he will give him a piece of food and say, well, this and Sean say, you know, I'm not buy no vehicle yet. I have to take it buy a piece of land and probably buy a house and then just buy one vehicle for go and drive and then he upgrade. Or probably buy him the vehicle and then give him the rest of money. Rest of give him the money. You know? But yeah, Vegas insert himself into the beef, but he basically I say Foota Hype is an instigator. You know, I try to set up the friendship for divide the youths. But don't believe me. Listen to what he says and you guys tell me what he says. What do you think in the comment section? Check this out.
Because what if you go say this now and Sean Storm seat and dep on all a corner or they run a house star, the man they are some pussy. Man do 13 years of prison through man wallet. And the girl now all record him and send back that no one cartel here. You know say a more animosity a bill right there, brother. And you don't like that, bro? You don't like, you know, say 2 man them go at it, brother? Come like you don't like that, bro. Because you were going to so no live on a life chaotic, you know. On a life of always chaotic, brethren. Always have to inner some form of chaos, brethren. I want to draw people in a chaotic world too. You see what I say? Man, them forward out of prison and you see man them a live good, brother. The man even buy, if the man didn't buy the man a bicycle, brother. You know the man go and ride him bicycle, bro. You're going like you a ride it, dog. You're going like you a ride the bicycle, brother. If the man didn't buy the man a bicycle, bro. Let us feed the man a cartel business, brother. You see what I say? Sometimes too, you know, a man have a plan for a man or a woman, you know. And them start them off and get them a start, you know, but somehow, you know so fucked up in our thinking, we want to mash up all some people from getting where them for truly get, you know. Because when you put forward certain information, people are looking to it and I say a real thing you're talking, you know. Yeah man, them boy there, enough things me do for them boy there. Or a girl would I say, yeah man, a long time I do with him, you know. And I can't believe say, this the boy give me because our friend them go tell her, say, yeah idiot. Them boy they rich and have their money, you know. You make him a give you that little car there. I don't know, say, I better things the man have in store for you, you know. But you know, you go listen to people, you fuck up your own life. You see? So the opportunities them we forget. See? You cut it off, brethren. And that with you, Foota. Enough opportunity you forget now, you cut them off, brother. You say me I say you want people to follow you and do the same. Because them say misery love fucking company, brother. Misery love company. You see people them will go under the comment and talk about true Foota thought. Me have to agree with Foota. I so no stay. I so no stay, you know. Yeah, we no show gratitude, we no grateful, we no thankful, brethren. We don't know what the brethren them, what kind of agreement the brethren them have. You see? You don't know the man them business, brethren. You see? Allow the people them for just reset them life be. Allow the people them for integrate back in a society, brethren. Nobody try be no wedge between the man them now for the man them go start go at it for fuckery, brethren. Cause so no start turf war, you know. And start man make man pre-man, you know, like some girl, you know, brethren. Yo, that him gear. You mean say a 30 grand the man gear. Yo, you know see them man they no rate ya. Wow, 50 grand him gear na Christmas ya. After you man in a rate ya. A so no stay be. And make enough youth follow no advice and fuck up themselves too, bro. Build more time, brother, man. When I build more time, bro. You see? When me speak about cartel them or anybody in the music, me I talk from a musical point of view, or me I speak from a musical point of view, or me I speak from a social, yeah, construct point of view. You see me I say? You know, I get up and go talk about what kind of car the man buy the man. After me I drive it. Me no busy what kind of car the man buy give man. If me get up and go talk about, oh, should I buy my better car than that? Come on bro man, do better than that, Foota. You can do way better than that, brother. You don't have to be so trivial, bro. Me know you want the likes and the views and the ratings, brother, but why you try build animosity? Why you try?
If you've reached this far in the video, thank you for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on this video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.